Hi Munchkins. I'm just going to show you guys how to go through this whole My Reading itinerary using Google Slides. So let's say that I am going to add my reading for today. So it says, type your answer here. So, oops, let's say date. So today is 4-6-20 and it's Monday. Place, I'm going to say I read on my couch. Insert image. So remember, I'm gonna actually have to delete this, and I go to image, camera, and I'm gonna go to my couch where I was reading. So I'll just, you know what? I'll just take a picture like this because this is where I read, right on my couch. And I click insert. Oh, it got moved up to there. All you have to do, oh my God, that is a terrible picture, but oh well. I add it to picture of my place. Scroll down, amount of time, you cannot highlight on this because I think that if you try to, nothing, yeah, it doesn't really happen. So what I would do is actually click this line button up here, and you can go down to scribble, and you can circle the amount of time you read, and it'll pop up like that. Okay, so that is what you should do for each, oh, whoops, it went in and highlighted this thing, so I need to actually undo that. So that is how you do each component of the things for your reading itinerary.